Breaking news for Americans receiving Social Security, SSDI, and VA benefits. The IRS has just announced a groundbreaking stimulus program that's set to roll out next week. In this comprehensive video, we'll dive deep into the details of the $6,900 preloaded stimulus cards that will be distributed across all 50 states. Stay tuned to learn if you qualify and what steps you need to take to secure your payment. Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Before we dive into today's explosive news, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to stay updated with the latest financial updates that could impact your wallet. Don't forget to turn on those notifications to never miss our breaking news coverage. Today, we're bringing you incredible news that's sending shockwaves through the American financial landscape. The Internal Revenue Service has just dropped a bombshell announcement that's going to affect millions of Americans, particularly those receiving Social Security benefits, SSDI, and VA benefits. We're talking about a massive new stimulus program that's rolling out preloaded cards worth $6,900 to eligible recipients across all 50 states. Let's break down this unprecedented announcement that's caught many financial experts by surprise. The IRS, in collaboration with the Treasury Department, has unveiled this new initiative as part of ongoing efforts to provide economic relief to Americans who continue to face financial challenges in the current economic climate. This program specifically targets beneficiaries of Social Security, Supplemental Security Income, SSI, Social Security Disability Insurance, SSDI, and Veterans Affairs, VA, benefits. What makes this program particularly noteworthy is its rapid deployment timeline. Starting next week, eligible recipients will begin receiving these preloaded stimulus cards in their mailboxes. These cards, similar to debit cards, will come preloaded with $6,900 and can be used immediately upon activation. This marks a significant departure from previous stimulus distributions, which often involved direct deposits or paper checks that took weeks or months to process. The decision to use preloaded cards instead of traditional payment methods was made to ensure faster distribution and easier access to funds, especially for those who might not have direct deposit capabilities or face challenges with traditional banking services. These cards will function like any standard debit card and can be used at millions of locations nationwide, including ATMs, retail stores, and online merchants. Now, let's address the question that's likely on everyone's mind: who exactly qualifies for these stimulus cards? The primary focus of this program is on individuals who are current recipients of Social Security retirement benefits, SSI, SSDI, or VA benefits. However, there are some important eligibility criteria that you need to be aware of. The IRS has established specific income thresholds and other requirements that must be met to receive the full amount. For individual beneficiaries, the income threshold has been set at $75,000 for the full payment amount. Those earning between $75,000 and $85,000 will receive reduced payments on a sliding scale. For married couples filing jointly, the full payment threshold is set at $150,000, with reduced payments available for those earning up to $160,000. These thresholds are based on your most recent tax return or benefit statement information. What's particularly interesting about this program is that it's designed to be automatic for most eligible recipients. If you're already in the system as a beneficiary of Social Security, SSI, SSDI, or VA benefits, you typically won't need to take any additional action to receive your card. The IRS will use the information they already have on file to process and mail your stimulus card. However, there are some important steps you should take to ensure you receive your payment without any issues. First, make sure your mailing address is current with the Social Security Administration or Veterans Affairs, depending on which benefits you receive. If you've moved recently and haven't updated your address, you should do so immediately to avoid any delays or complications with receiving your card. The cards themselves will arrive in a plain white envelope with clear Treasury Department markings. This is important to note because these envelopes might easily be mistaken for junk mail. The IRS is strongly advising everyone to carefully check their mail in the coming weeks to ensure they don't accidentally discard these valuable cards. Once you receive your card, you'll need to activate it before you can begin using it. The activation process is straightforward and can be completed either online or through a dedicated phone line. Each card will come with detailed instructions for activation, including security measures to protect your funds. It's crucial to follow these instructions carefully to ensure your card is properly activated and secured. One of the most significant aspects of this program is its flexibility in terms of how the funds can be used. Unlike some previous stimulus programs that had restrictions on spending, these cards can be used for virtually any purpose. Whether you need to pay bills, purchase groceries, cover medical expenses, or save for emergencies, the choice is yours. The funds can be accessed through point-of-sale transactions, online purchases, or ATM withdrawals. The IRS has also implemented several security features to protect cardholders from fraud and unauthorized use. Each card will be equipped with chip technology and will require a PIN for transactions. Additionally, the cards are insured against loss or theft, providing peace of mind to recipients. If your card is lost or stolen, you can quickly report it and receive a replacement without losing your funds. For those wondering about fees associated with these cards, the IRS has worked to minimize costs to cardholders. Most standard transactions, including purchases and ATM withdrawals at in-network locations, will be free of charge. However, there may be some fees for certain types of transactions, such as out-of-network ATM withdrawals or international purchases. A complete fee schedule will be included with your card when it arrives. The timing of this program is particularly significant as many Americans continue to face financial challenges. The $6,900 amount was determined based on various economic factors and is designed to provide meaningful assistance to beneficiaries. This is especially important for those on fixed incomes who have been disproportionately affected by rising costs and economic uncertainty. For those who receive multiple types of benefits, such as both Social Security and VA benefits, it's important to note that you will only receive one stimulus card. The IRS has systems in place to prevent duplicate payments and ensure fair distribution of funds. If you have questions about which benefit program will be used to determine your eligibility, you can contact the IRS or visit their website for clarification. The rollout of these cards will be staggered across the country to ensure smooth distribution and prevent overwhelming the system. The IRS has developed a schedule based on geographical regions and the first letter of recipients' last names. This means that while distribution begins next week, it may take several weeks for all eligible recipients to receive their cards. It's worth mentioning that this program is separate from any other federal or state assistance programs you may currently receive. The $6,900 stimulus payment will not affect your eligibility for other benefits, nor will it be counted as income for purposes of determining eligibility for federal assistance programs. For those who prefer not to use the preloaded card, there will be options to transfer the funds to a personal bank account. However, the IRS recommends keeping the card active for at least the first few weeks to ensure all systems are working properly and to avoid any potential issues with fund transfers. As we wrap up this important announcement, let's recap the key points. $6,900 stimulus cards are being distributed starting next week to eligible Social Security, SSI, SSDI, and VA benefit recipients across all 50 states. The distribution will be automatic for most eligible recipients, but it's crucial to ensure your mailing address is current. The cards are secure, flexible in use, and come with minimal fees. Remember to watch your mail carefully in the coming weeks and follow the activation instructions precisely when your card arrives. If you have any questions or concerns, the IRS will have dedicated support lines available to assist with any issues related to these stimulus cards. Before we end this video, I want to remind you to hit that like button if you found this information helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates on financial news and assistance programs. Click the bell icon to receive notifications whenever we post new content. Also, share this video with friends and family who might benefit from this information. Drop a comment below if you have any questions about this new stimulus program, and we'll do our best to provide answers in our future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with the latest financial news and updates. Share this video with anyone who might benefit from this information, and leave your questions in the comments below. Together, we'll stay informed and financially empowered.